Hey, what's up, dudes? JT77 here playing Prison. I'm kinda already decked out. And apparently I need a whole bunch of money to become anything. How much money I have. And look how much money I need to rank up to D. Or to C, I think. So laggy. I need 35,000. Let's see if we can sell some things. Oh yeah, we can sell some this. What else can I sell at 64? No, nothing else. This is my thing. I just realized I had that on there. Did you see that? What the? Freaking done! Don't tell me I lost all of my freaking stuff. Go, 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 go. Forget you. Oh.